In 2026, crypto markets remain divided between two distinct layers, one driven by mature assets like Litecoin and Stellar, and the other by early-stage presales like APEMARS. Litecoin and Stellar continue to anchor the market's baseline with their stability and transactional utility. Meanwhile, APEMARS is gaining attention for its structured presale model, which positions it as a focal point for traders seeking high-risk, early position exposure. The broader narrative is not about guaranteed returns, but about timing, structure, and positioning. Litecoin and Stellar help define the baseline of market behavior, while APEMARS defines the opportunity layer. Specifically, APEMARS Stage 22 is currently priced at 0.000482448, with an intended listing price of 0.0055. This creates a clear pricing differential that defines its presale structure. Based on these figures, Stage 22 reflects a projected ROI of approximately 1039%, assuming listing conditions are met. This structured progression is why APEMARS is frequently mentioned in discussions about the top crypto presale to buy today. It is positioned at the early end of the pricing curve, where entry levels are significantly lower compared to later stages. For example, a $2,000. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Allocation at Stage 22 could yield a much larger position than the same allocation placed at a later stage. This dynamic is what drives interest in APEMARS as a structured entry point. The broader market is currently split between capital seeking stability and capital chasing growth. Litecoin and Stellar represent the former, offering a steady, predictable utility layer. APEMARS represents the latter, offering a speculative, high-risk opportunity. Analysts are watching how these two forces interact as they define the market's overall direction. The APEMARS presale model is designed to increase in price over time, which creates a natural incentive for early entry. Stage 22 is currently the most accessible point of entry, with a clear price trajectory ahead. This model is not unique, but the combination of structure, clarity, and projected ROI makes APEMARS Stage 22 stand out among presales. The key uncertainty is whether the market will continue to support early-stage presales like APEMARS. While the projected ROI is significant, it is not guaranteed. The listing price is a target, not a promise. Traders must assess whether the broader market supports such speculative assets or if it is shifting toward more mature, utility-driven projects. The next signal to watch is the movement of capital between Litecoin/Stellar and APEMARS. If more traders begin allocating to APEMARS, it could indicate a shift in market sentiment towards speculative growth. Conversely, if capital remains in Litecoin and Stellar, it may signal a preference for stability over potential high returns. This layered structure is not new to crypto markets, but the way APEMARS is being positioned as a top presale to buy today reflects a growing interest in structured, early position. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Opportunities. The market is not choosing between stability and speculation, it is allocating across both. APEMARS Stage 22 is the current focal point of that speculative layer. The broader question is whether this model can be sustained. Presales have historically been volatile and unpredictable, but APEMARS is attempting to introduce structure and transparency. If this model works, it could redefine how traders approach early-stage crypto opportunities. If it fails, it could reinforce the market's preference for more established assets. The next few weeks will be crucial in determining which path the market takes.